Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'll show you how I get this rust off these old parts using this concrete and metal prep from Clean Strip. So you take this rusty old fender, it's off that 56 right there, and it'll go from looking like that, all pitted, to this in a couple of minutes. So I'll show you how it goes here in just a few minutes. Alright, here's that same fender after applying the metal prep to it. And a little bit of elbow grease with a Scotch-Brite pad and a piece of 180 grit sandpaper. Literally like 10 minutes worth of work. So stripping the rest of the fender down to bare metal will be a lot easier now that all that surface rust is gone. And then putting it into an etching primer. So anyway, yeah, it's like $18 over at Lowe's. This stuff right here works great. Thanks for watching.